Hey there, welcome to another tech problem-solving video. Today we're diving into a common issue that many users face when upgrading their hardware. The problem at hand involves a setup with two monitors, one full HD connected via HDMI, and a second HD monitor connected through VGA. Everything was working fine with a GTX 650 and an i3 3210, but things took a turn when upgrading to a GTX 1660 and an i5 2400. Now, both monitors refuse to work simultaneously, causing quite a headache for our setup. Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. It seems the root cause lies in the fact that the integrated graphics and the video card are both in play. Some CPUs and motherboards have restrictions that only allow the use of one graphics output at a time. In this case, the GTX 1660 should have multiple video ports available for use. The key here is to connect both monitors to either the GTX 1660 or the motherboard. If the motherboard only supports VGA, fear not, you can easily find a cheap adapter online to bridge the gap. In summary, when faced with the dilemma of getting two monitors to work with a new GPU and CPU, the solution lies in properly routing the video output. By ensuring that both monitors are connected to a single source, either the GTX 1660 or the motherboard, you'll be able to enjoy your dual monitor setup once again. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your own tech troubleshooting stories. Who knows, maybe we'll feature your comment in the next video.